What's going on, people? It's GBP baby. Welcome to another video. It's currently 52 minutes past midnight on Friday the 7th of July 2023. And yeah, man, today these markets right now, honestly guys, the kind of consolidation that these are giving us, like, it's just ridiculous. So like, as I was saying before, probability is pretty much gone out the window. And we have non-farm payroll tomorrow, so you know what that means for the markets. And you saw, and today we had PMI for job releases or something, and you can see and jobless claims, and you can see what that did to the market. So like, yeah, this week's just been very heavy going. So I'm not really going to say too much. What I'm going to do though is I'm going to simply mark out my buy side and sell side draw. But right now, honestly, at this point, I don't really have a bias, purely because of just how back and forth and how ugly in general price action has been. This is ugly to me. Like, it's disgusting. I don't even want to look at it. I'm still anticipating some kind of expansion. Hopefully in the new week we start to see some more movement, but this is what you call sideways movement, back and forth and just constant consolidation within this range. So I'm not really going to speak too much on what to anticipate. I have had my eyes on this sell side target because we've got all these relative equal lows that have been created below here. So if price wants to draw down there, I don't know, man. I don't know. It's just best to stay out at this point, in my opinion. And then there's also this volume imbalance of here if price wants to go up there. So generally, guys, this is going to be a really short video. I do suggest you guys have these marked out on your charts, but you can see that we've just been consolidating in this range, and I'm just awaiting some kind of expansion outside of this range so we can start to look at further targets. But until then, again, this consolidation is not it. So yeah, I guess we'll wait for Sunday's review and next week's price action to hopefully get a better gist on what we can expect. And yeah, that's pretty much everything. I mean, next week we do also have quite a lot of news. We have, for example, we have CPI. So you can see there's so much news and so much manual intervention that's likely happening in the markets around this time of the year, and it's just causing so much congestion within it. But it is what it is. It's part of the game, and I guess we'll just gotta sit back and watch and learn. Yeah. I'll have a quick look at Euro and GBP, but honestly, this review isn't going to be very helpful to you guys, I don't think. So it is what it is, man. But yeah, I'm gonna do some back testing. I'll make sure to drop those videos as soon as they're finished. This is pound's looking all right, but and I'm pound. I do have my eyes on a monthly. Was it monthly? Weekly? There's a weekly gap here that I like my eyes. That I like the look of. Whether we're going to expand to it this week, I have no clue. That would mean lower dollar, which was my original expectation. But as I said, this week has just been so ridiculous that I'm not even going to say too much. It looks like we might have had a break in market structure here, came back down, traded to the breaker, swing low, swing high, and then we've started to move higher, but not in a very nice fashion. Like, look at this. These are not conditions that you want to be trading in, do you know what I mean? So it'll be nice to see if we do want to expand higher. If we take out this high, then I'll anticipate this to get traded too, but until then, guys, I'm just going to stay quiet and out of the markets because that's probably the safest thing to do. But yeah, guys, this has been GBP baby. Sorry this hasn't been so insightful again this week. This kind of consolidation, I haven't seen anything like this since the December holidays. Of course, we're coming up to the summer holidays, so I can imagine, you know, and we're mid-year, so there's a lot of things going on. But but I guess we just gotta see. So that's everything, guys. Thanks for watching, and I'll catch you in the next one. Peace.